In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete markups in Bluebeam. If you've been working on a project and find yourself needing to remove some annotations or maybe just clean up a document, this guide is exactly what you need. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to Bluebeam Cloud. This is your entry point and where all the magic starts to happen. Simply open your preferred web browser and head over to the Bluebeam website. Once you're there, look for the Sign In button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the website. Go ahead and click on it. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your ID or email. Take a moment to type in the one that's associated with your Bluebeam account. This step ensures that you have access to your projects and all the features you need. After entering your ID or email, make sure everything looks correct, then click Next to proceed. Now you're on the password entry page. Enter your secure password here. Remember, using a strong password helps keep your project safe, so make sure it's something only you know. After this, just hit the Sign In button, and voila! You're logged into Bluebeam Cloud. With access granted, let's move to the actual task of deleting markups. To do this, click on Studio Sessions from the dashboard. This area is where all your project sessions are listed and organized. Now find and open the project you are working on. This will load all the markups and annotations associated with that specific project. Once your project is open, it's time to locate the markup or annotation you wish to remove. Simply navigate through your document or utilize any search functionalities to quickly identify the annotation in question. When you find the markup, right-click on it to bring up a context menu. In the context menu, you'll notice various options, but our focus is on deletion. Just click on Delete, and the selected markup or annotation will be removed from your document. Take a moment to review your document and ensure that all unnecessary markups are eliminated as per your requirement. And there you have it, an easy, streamlined way to manage your Bluebeam documents by cleaning up unnecessary markups. With these steps, you've made your project document that much more organized and professional looking. Thanks for following along, and feel free to revisit these instructions anytime you need a refresher. Happy editing, and see you in the next video.